Good evening, cherished viewers of TJ TV. We bring you a special report from Mumford Rock Assembly of the Apostolic Church Ghana, where a pivotal community engagement exercise took place earlier today. This program was organized by the District Assembly Planning Committee in Gomoa West for ensuring that a proactive step towards addressing the present challenges faced by our local communities, with representatives from various sectors, traditional leaders, assembly members, youth groups, and faith-based organizations in attendance. The gathering was both spirited and solution-driven. This initiative aimed to identifying and factor in the unique problems confronting each community, from infrastructure gaps, youth employment, health, sanitation, education, and access to health care. These insights are being integrated into the district's short, medium, and long-term development plans, ensuring that no voice is left unheard and no issue left unaddressed.
Was a district assembly for Wabwe Apostolic Church of Ghana. Now, what be then?
All right, Medase. Your development planning committee, our assembly. And there was subcommittees, our assembly, and the Krobata Kronye development planning committee. On one watch a medium term and then short term planning for the assembly. Assembly biano rebel a project in various communities or then your planning, which is 4-year term planning. I the Babu assembly in Hombra. And or there community by community. Ne kwa jiwane winning here. Yes, you'll be at a planning officer at the assembly, but you don't know the friend Zan Crofona Oku, particular Munya, or you when in here as old can. Until Bana, you want about your come on community now, watch do. In order of priority, no, you pay toilet first, you pay if second, you pay dam. Until you know Jumeza or your district assembly go more west, what by and they will be busy when you Mumford.
Your name Honorable Peter and Cancer to Chunk or Kebe brains, ye pay you, Eben and your madam now, what bear no what I say for whom. And Nkomo Church no Ottedan. Was it even successful?
Medase pa Nkomo Church no okroye pa na nkwoye ya okroye mpo gine de nyene adestrade a wonye twetwe nkomo no yebo yeka a kire ho yebo nyame mpa de wokwa yeme ba yadum ma sika bi baba samre ho no wetu anamo na Nkomo Church ne de me gine do okroye pa.
Honorable Yadasi Bebre. Bien in the church on Sarah, Honorable Assembly. District Assembly for one day, Bow be young home command a year chicken. Honorables and can walk a bebre, but ye pay ye one day. What bear no, Eben and your madam no wobble body dead to me for no way here.
Okay, Medasi. Midday tea of Nasasi. Yes, Shem, come on when ye bedina. Yama will be sabis and no coin, Nina or Yan. Nti ni aso ye na ya cha ya adwen da ye nji nyamana wo de be bisan no nti se me kakra me pera me kan da wo to anamwa na wo aba nam no ye ne mana na ya ba te da nwa ye meeting bi woko asa ba bi woko e be kra to de ba sani nti me ma de se de kakra me se ne mama on ben ne first na wo to anamwa wi na we je ma to e di mama wo je mu nto won hwe na wo ma ye bisad na be bisan won to anamwa na nyama nkoye me ye nyinara.
What's Eben and your madam Nana to me from a wearable body there when he papa American.
Be bit the Caracon, ne be beat the authority some so here in a community one some cacana school in Anna. I had the other Yakumada.
See, you may be damn a motion one day. District Assembly for no way betting to me when crat I don't know, Abanabayamam. Honorable Yadasi Bebre. Yenya Honorable. Sansa yenitem sisi ara Nkomo Church na ye gudo no enti honorable yene honorable ko bi tell like say wa abobọ nyoma bi no ma wohia tememufo no wohia ewo mone mantem na oma na etum we pagya enti amobrase mo so bobodo na ye nhye
yo kemedase mechia mo ahwafo nyinara na ya bo mabado adwuma party James Media na TJ TV mo ye boa community no razin shira mo na mo ahoase na mo konkon wona nyim ya kan sam pi da mam nyu no maka bi no za me do so dara ne ya hwe yan nyina ma ahoze na nkan ya no bijira ahoze no ofo sa ya krai so wo TV kwa na ontum nyewe fridge ontum use fridge so no so yan sam ya kan da on hwe na won bo na nya transformers apapa ahoze no wom mo ba ya sa ya so yan kan ya no nzam wo fi a oye blender and logo kan wa onye problem nti no yenza ye kan wasam na afi so one challenger no so ye kan ye tu wona nyim de eko matters so down ho on that stretch no why fence will be ho on the nase no but very dangerous yempe de bibi besi ansana ti aka chan won dem no te dem no mbobon na ye ho no dem wo na wo matters so down ho ade bedu oye abeduase ho no enhwe na nyem nkoso obeje wa chena bibi nkesa ansana yakado dentin na yanye so no so yaze kura yakasa efo na afi so ye hwe yen dwoma ahosesi sanitation sama wo fum na say mo mpo bana yenya nzama de ba yedwuma da e banya free barrels man kan so fi na mbrofo wan tase na zoka kan yenya bi tano so ya datu na nyim de won hwana won bo ama ye amana dwuma tedam na tumi na ya yama fine na azokro so ye kan ya ona biaro no dwuma wenyin na bribia no say mbebru we school da ma do kwesesa de bi odo foka obokwa ha ehiem the ramp and zoka kan tano so ya asra won de dwuma se yenya even vocational training center kumpa mahena kobobwa ma nyana ye pede so yesu ko school yen kromu tumi ya den yakọ sano so yaza ye kan asama ye hwede wa ba yen mboa
Inti memofo no bay ana assembly members no koten na mo behiem na mo ye da mo meeting no.
oh okay timemfu ba yen yankoten amede metun sa frɛ nyimpa akono na wanyame bay bi nim so tun sa frɛ bi nim wanyame bay nti onyen yanko timemfu no bi kan ma ye meeting otedam
Inti honorable ti memofo na wo bay no nso no e na one expression to dan. Won enyu agye ho ana na wa pa ba the politicians the mawaya anye nti no wasn't one of the bay is it?
oh bezo obey obapa na nu de won waji because onyaza watai woye bebe wa won the one first time wo bibi o tell manyi the assembly members onye mpemfo wo fi oye assembly we said the word no o man won na watun sa from why one time de bia no oye assembly members pe but afiezi no egboyi ma oye won na wo krom hana so we hu de o yembe hia na ndwo no man I think the won waji de yatun sa from won wo bibi dem
Inti oba na manager de wataye ana waye afibia waye kor.
ma enya ya be botun ehun de penfo se nwa ye bi dado but some the warrior wan said down mfre timemfu nkan oye assembly members na oye wanyi penfo ni djumot but afi years no ye boy mama kromufra and timemfu na de be kan ma djumezi no akodo fine.
Inti what are our expectations?
Oh ntino ya bon mpe yim de abana djumeza ya na o mota kakra ti ye bon mpe de za yeza kwani nyina no ayen ye kura no obey nim bia odan no zaman na ngom ya so ya nto ya dwum de za mo nan oda yeze echi emi ya doma ya bo commit next month yakwa ya baka wansam na ya hwede sa ya tro ni nyina no anye be no mo kura na bia ni bia na ebasa oda menfe ebasa ya ka ye na nyimi na o man so ye mfoso azaman
Honorable Yadasi Bebre.
JTV will continue to monitor and report on these developments, amplifying the voices of our holding leadership accountable to their promise. This has been your instant news update. Reporting from Mumford Rock Assembly, I am TJ Kobe, reminding community transformations begins with participations. Stay tuned, stay empowered, stay with TJ TV Instant News, where speed meets credibility.